a big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. My name is Deepti. Students, alphabet is the building block of English language and we all are already familiar with alphabets and vowels. So here we're gonna learn about sound of vowels, sound of CH, SH, use of A and the, I am, you are, use of my and your. Also, we will learn about use of has, have, or we are and they are. So, let's get started. Sound of vowels. We know that we have 5 vowels. So, in this chapter, we're going to learn about the sound of all these 5 vowels. Okay. So, first, sound of vowel A. A sound with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Fan, pan, hat, rat, jam, bag, car, tap, sad, van, lamp. Sing with your teacher. A cat, a fat cat. Sam has a fat cat. Sam sat on the mat. The cat sits on Sam's lap. Sam pats the cat. Sound of vowel E. E sound with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Men, pen, pet, net, jet, wet, red, leg. Sing with your teacher. Ben loves his pet. He has a hen. The hen is wet. The hen is near the net. It laid 10 eggs. Sound of vowel I. I sound with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Sit, fit, hit, kit, nib, zip, pin, king, and dip. Sing with your teacher. A wig. Jim has a wig. The wig is big. He pick a pin to put it in bin. Sound of vowel O. O sound with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hot, cot, pot, cow, top, log, fox, goat, soap. Sing with your teacher. A dog, a log, a dog on a log. Bob saw a dog. Bob saw a dog on a log. Sound of vowel U. U sound with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Gun, run, fun, hut, nut, jug. Pup, mug, tub. Sing with your teacher. Rumi have fun with his bus and gun. He has nut and bun. The pup took his bun. He ran after the pup to get his bun. Let's have practice. A. Fill in the blanks with correct vowel. So first is bin. So we will write I. Second picture, pod. So write O. Next, wig. Write I. Next, cot. So write O. Next, van. So write A. Next picture, dad. So we will write A. Next, pin. Write I. Next, hen. So write E. Next picture, mug. So write U. Next, bed. So write E. Next, jam. So write A. Next, this is a dot. So write O. Next, bug. Write U. Next, key. Write E. Next, soap. So write O. And next picture is jug. So write U. B. Read the word in each row and circle the one which has a different sound. Okay. So हमें हर row में words को पढ़ना है. जिस word की sound different होगी, we will circle that word. Okay. So let's get started. Rat, cat, hat, mat, van. So van आपका different sound कर रहा है. Circle it. Next. Net, red, lead, bed, fed. So different sound किसका है? Net का. So we will circle it out. Next. Ship, zip, lip, kit, tip. So different sound है kit का. So kit को हम circle करेंगे. Next. Cord, god, rod, pod, boy. Boy is different. Okay. Next. Bun, gun, sun, cub, run. Cub. Different sound कर रहा है. So circle करेंगे. See, match the word with its picture. So let's start with left side. First picture, correct, very simple. Sun. Next, lip. So lip से match करेंगे. Next, rat. Next picture, cat. Now right side. First picture देखते हैं, ये है nib. Second one, pin. Next, third one, it's hen. And the last one is dog. So students, I hope आपको ये chapter समझ आया होगा and keep doing practice of this chapter in order to become perfect.